BEL it is. Let's address the earnings this quarter then. Mr. H.S. Ramakrishnan joins in from the company. Mr. Ramakrishnan, hi, afternoon. Thanks for taking time out. So first, if you could walk us through what the Q4 performance has been, how has the top and as well as the bottom line grown for you?
Maybe we will try later.
Mr. Ramakrishnan, is my voice reaching you? Okay, seem to have snapped that line. We will just, of course, get back to BEL and the earnings as well for the fourth quarter. The stock, however, has reversed its losses from the previous two sessions. 1476 is where the stock is currently sitting at. Mr. Ramakrishnan is back with us. Mr. Ramakrishnan, is my voice reaching you clearly?
I am hearing you. Yeah, you can go on.
Okay. So if you could first walk us through how the Q4 performance has been for BEL, what has been the top line as well as the bottom line growth?
Yeah, in fact, this year has been not a very good year for us. As such, we have grown only about 3% in terms of our top line. And also the bottom line also, there has not been a growth, there has been a decline. This has been due to some of the programs that we expected did not really materialize. And as such, of course, we know why we couldn't do well. We have already put in place actions which would help us to do better in the coming year. And certainly in the next year, since all issues regarding some of the major programs have been resolved, we would be able to certainly build on our top line and automatically bottom line will follow.
Quickly help us understand the Q4 top line and bottom line number as well for the benefit of our investor, because I don't think that number is out yet. How was your performance specifically in Q4?
Now, you see, Q4 results, I am not able to comment right now because unless the board clears it, I won't be able to comment. But as such, I can say that the decline in last year's performance was essentially due to some of the programs not happening as planned, some of the bulk production clearances did not materialize, some of the orders that we expected did not happen because there was a slowing in the processing by the ministry. And therefore, we didn't do well. But we are very confident that we can make it up and certainly build on it and reach our plan in the current financial year.
Mr. Ramakrishna, the street was expecting a PAT figure of about 28 to 30 crore rupees. Is it significantly lower than that? If you could give us a ballpark estimate.
This is regarding which one?
Q4 PAT.
No. The profit after tax, I will be able to comment only after the board meeting because tomorrow is our board meeting. After that, maybe we can meet and we can discuss.
Right. If you could walk us through what is the order book looking like, considering you've talked about as to how you've lost a few orders. Has there been any addition, and if you could quantify that for us for the fourth quarter?
See the orders, for example, an order like missile approach warning system, which we expected and we had even planned to deliver equipment in the last financial year, didn't materialize in the fourth quarter. There were certain processing issues and it did not happen. Similarly, certain orders where the bulk production clearance issues were there and they were nagging us, and there also the clearances didn't fetch up early in March. So as a result of that, there was a decline in the fourth quarter performance.
Mr. Ramakrishna, what is your order book guidance though for next financial year? You seem a little more optimistic for the fiscal that we've just started. What would be your guidance?
Yeah, we have understood the issues that affected us in the last year. Now we are going to put more aggressive monitoring on some of the issues that affected us. And also the orders that did not materialize last year would certainly happen in the middle of the year. And therefore, we are better placed in terms of order execution in the current year. And therefore, we don't see any great difficulties in achieving the goals that we have set for ourselves in the current financial year.